Okay, what we can do in Dreamweaver is we can actually create templates. And this actually is great because what it does is we can make templates from a page and we can create editable regions. Because when we look at our website, we would see, like for this website, that the header would be the same on every page and the nav bar would be the same on every page. And that's pretty much very standard. Now, there might be different versions, there might be several templates for a page, but if I wanted to have the header and the nav bar the same on every page and just have one area where everything changes, the template would be the way to go. So this is how we go about making a template. First of all, we determine what will be our editable regions and what will be our non-editable regions. Now, what's great about having non-editable regions, for instance, my nav bar, if I made it non-editable on my pages, if I wanted to change something on my nav bar, I could just go back to my template page and change it there, and it would update on all the other pages. So here goes. So I'm going to say my container will be my editable region. So I come on up to Insert. I come to Template Objects. First thing is I have it selected. Okay, so I can click on it. It's a div tag. I select it. The whole thing is selected. If I come on in to Split, I can see, okay, this code is all selected. So I come on in and I say Insert Template Objects. There it is. And I'm going to say Insert an editable region. And I'm going to say OK. I'm going to keep the name Edit Region 1. OK, this is the editable region. Now I'm going to come on in. I'm going to say File, Save as Template. And I can give it, actually, it says, I'm going to give it a name. And I hit Save. All right, update links, yes. So now this is the story. Now when I go and I create another page, first of all, this becomes portfolio.dwt. That means that it is the template page in Dreamweaver. Now though, I come on in, I create a new one, and I can see, okay, I want a page from a template, and I can see I want Site 1 portfolio, I say Create. Now I can save this, and I can say File, Save As, and I'm going to give it the name, actually, I'm going to give it the name index because I want to override the index that's there. I'm going to say Save, Replace. Great. I'm going to create another one. File, New, Page from Template, Site 1. I see it here. I hit Create, and I'm going to come on in File, Save As, and I'll name this one About. So we can see I'm creating all these pages of my sites. File, let's do one more. New, Page from Template, Site 1, Create, and I'm going to give this File, Save As, Portfolio, Save, and let's just do one more just for the heck of it. File, New, Page from Template, Site 1, Create, File, Save As, and this one would be Contact. So now I have all these pages of my site done. Now watch this. I can come on over when I want to make a change. Well, first of all, if I come on over to here and I start to hover, it doesn't let me. I'm on the index page. It will not let me make changes. I can come in to the editable region and work, but these non-editable regions, I cannot do it. What I need to do to change this is I come on into Portfolio DWT, the template page. Now I can come on in here and I could click and I could start finding where my links are. So I would say, okay, this one is the link to index. If I come on into About, I just want to show you what will happen. And I click About, I click and I say Open, and there it is. I come to Portfolio, I click the link, I click Open, there it is. I come on into Contact, click Open, and there it is. So I come on in, I say File, Save All. And what it's saying is that it's going to update all the files based on this template. I say Update, okay, and then I can say Close. It's saying that all of these have been updated, and now they all contain that they all contain these different links. So let's test and see if these links work. So I'm going to come on in. I say, oh, now I need to go on into index to test it. So I come on in, I go preview in Firefox. I'm going to save. All right, and I click home. Okay, I'm on index. I can come on up here and see how it changes. I come to about. Oh, look, it links to about. I come to portfolio. Okay, something's not right with portfolio. I'll need to go look at that. I come to contact, and contact's not right either. So it's always fun. Something didn't totally work out. I can come back in to this portfolio right here. Open, contact, click, contact, open. Let's come back in, file, save all. We can test it again. All right, I'm not going to spend all this time playing around in here, but what we can see is that, you know, you can come in and now you can make your changes to these different editable regions. Okay, I just tested it again after I did those changes, and you can see now it's all working. Sometimes if something doesn't work out right, you'll find as you work on the web that it can be very buggy, but just try it again. All right, so here's my index page. Here's my about page, my portfolio page, my contact page. Sometimes it's just coming in and trying something one more time, and then you find, okay, now it works. So there we have it. Thanks so much. That is creating a template, and hopefully you can see why a template would really be a great thing to work with. Thanks for listening.